Here's the money. Got it. Enjoy the car, son. She's a good runner.
All right, push now, slowly. Give it everything, keep it steady. Watch the wheels.
Almost there, get those straps on.
Tighten the front. Done, let's get out of here. Throw, hard to toy.
All right, bring her back easy. Watch the clearance on the right. Keep coming. Okay, hold it right there. Looks good.
What a mess. It really needs a thorough cleaning.
The floor is clean now.
The car interior is clean now.
Keep it moving, don't stay in one spot. Got it. Looks good. Watch that loose debris. Keep at it. This hood is almost clear. Yeah, the side's coming along too. Watch the windows. The bumper and lights are off. Did you get the door handles? Keep it steady. Slowly. Easy now. Down a little more. Just there. Got it.
I think we're ready to test the motor now.
And just like that, it fires right up on the very first try. Perfect. Turn off the engine. That's enough until we install the engine cooling system.
Once you've got it seated in the mounts like this, give it a firm push down. Now double check these hoses and make sure the fittings are secure.
Easy, easy. A little more to the left. How's that? Perfect. Hold it right there.
You've become an amazing car.